Looking to bring your student life at NYP to the next level? The Student Life Academy provides you with a gateway into a vibrant and enriching student life for every student at NYP. You will learn many useful skills that will prepare you for the working world, while at the same time, have fun, expand your network, pick up new hobbies, and learn a new skill or two. In addition, there are also more than 80 CCAs available at NYP. With so many options available, there's never a dull moment here at NYP. So, are you ready to level up your student life at NYP?